The 2014 Devolro Diablo. The market of automotive customization is pretty hot these days, and the off-road scene is no different. Spiced-up trucks with lift kits, big tires, and extra goodies are wildly popular. One Miami-based outfit is taking conventional Toyota Tundra trucks to the next level with a complete list of available custom options that make a stock Tundra a bad beast ready for the apocalypse. The company is called Devolro, and its current halo product is the Diablo, complete with a 6-inch lift, 37-inch tires, massive bumpers front and rear, a winch, and enough off-road lights to turn night into day. The Diablo also has a secret under its hood, an available supercharger mounted to the Tundra's 5.7-liter V8. The blower takes the V8 from a puny 381 horsepower up to a respectable 520. Like any good custom shop, Devolro lets customers pick and choose what aftermarket bits they want added. Want a custom leather interior? Done. Need a lockable bed topper for storing gear in the dry? No problem. Want a high-tech infotainment system for staying connected while on an expedition? Sure. Below the jump, we take a closer look at what makes a Devolro Diablo unique, so for the full rundown, keep on clicking. Click past the jump to read more about the 2014 Devolro Diablo. Exterior. ARB air lockers are fitted inside the front and rear differentials for added traction when the going gets tough. Covered in a matte black, carbon fiber wrap and sitting on a tall suspension lift, the Diablo has an intimidating demeanor. Up front is Devolro's custom bumper with an internal mounted winch. A protective bar rises up to guard the grille and gives space for mounting lights. I hoops and D-rings protrude forward, making vehicle recovery an easy task. Extra lights on the side help light the way. Around the side, large fender flares help protect the bodywork from flying debris while tackling the great outdoors. Huge 37-inch Toyo tires are wrapped around 20-inch wheels. A 6-inch Fabtech Performance System suspension underpins the truck with Dirt Logic 2.5 coilovers. ARB air lockers are fitted inside the front and rear differentials for added traction when the going gets tough. A fiberglass bed topper is fitted to keep the bed and its gear dry and secure, while a roof rack mounted above gives additional storage space and holds an extra LED light bar. A replacement tailgate allows for a lockable plexiglass door into the bed. Down below, a custom rear bumper has built-in side steps and D-rings. The Toyota factory trailer hitch remains for towing. Devolro Diablo, exterior dimensions. Interior. With the Tundra offering room for 5 adults, customers have the space for extra people and their gear. Like the exterior, customers can customize their Tundra's interior to include nearly whatever they want. A full leather package is available that replaces the stock coverings on the seats, center console, and headliner, giving it a bespoke look. Devolro also provides a full infotainment system upgrade to include whatever the customer is looking for. With the Tundra offering room for 5 adults, customers have the space for extra people and their gear. Custom-built under-seat storage is available for holding stuff out of sight. Besides the ability to customize, the Tundra's interior remains a welcoming and useful place. A large center console and passenger side glove box holds massive amounts of stuff, while the folding rear seat bottoms allow for larger objects to be placed in the cab. For 2014, all Tundras enjoy the makeover Toyota brought it, including a redesigned dashboard and gauge cluster. Devolro Diablo, interior dimensions. Drivetrain. While the standard engine puts out 381 horsepower, the Diablo's add-ons bump it up to 520 horses, powering all 4 wheels through an electronically controlled transfer case. Customers can choose to leave the 5.7-liter V8 alone or throw on some mods. A TRD catback, dual exhaust system and supercharger are available for those looking to make maximum horsepower and torque. While the standard engine puts out 381 horsepower, the Diablo's add-ons bump it up to 520 horses, powering all 4 wheels through an electronically controlled transfer case. Mated to the 5.7-liter V8 is Toyota's 6-speed transmission that includes manual shifting, uphill and downhill shift logic, and tow/haul mode. Without the extra engine modifications, the standard Tundra makes 381 horsepower and 401 pound-feet of torque. That's enough to take the stock Tundra to 60 miles per hour in roughly 6.8 seconds. ARB air locking differentials in both front and rear axles keep all four wheels spinning despite any lack of traction. The 37-inch tires are Toyo open country mud terrains and are mounted on 20-inch wheels. Keeping the engine fueled is an aftermarket fuel tank built to hold 46 gallons. Devolro Diablo drivetrain specifications. Prices. While Devolro doesn't have any set pricing on its website, we imagine each custom add-on comes at its own separate price. Of course, all the extras are on top of the price for your Toyota Tundra. For 2014, the Tundra starts out at $25,950 and goes north of $47,000 for the top-level 1794 edition. Competition. 2014 Ram 2500 HD by AEV. American Expedition Vehicles has been building custom Jeep Wrangler for years, but it wasn't until this year did the company venture into the truck market. The one-off Ram 2500 SEMA concept was basically the company's proof of concept and interest feeler for the industry. The company is planning to release both the individual parts for purchase as well as do in-house upfits to brand new Ram 2500s. A 3-inch lift-up front and a 2-inch lift-out back keep things level while massive 40-inch BF Goodrich Mud Terrain KM2 tires roll on AEV-designed 17-inch wheels. A completely custom front bumper is constructed from 3/16-inch thick stamped steel and holds a 12,000-pound to 16,500-pound worn winch. Thick toe points attach to the frame behind the bumper and allow for D-rings to be fitted. Lastly, large fender flares cover the enlarged wheel wells of the Ram and help protect the bodywork from flying debris. Under the Ram's hood lies the stock 6.7-liter Cummins i6 turbo diesel that's good for 370 horsepower and an earth-moving 800 pound-feet of torque. And while AEV hasn't released any pricing information on the Ram 2500 upgrade kit, rest assured it will be well worth it for the added functionality. Conclusion. Overall, the Devolro Diablo upgrade is a great way to upfit a Tundra with plenty of custom goodies that include a bespoke interior, useful exterior add-ons, and some great performance parts that keep everything moving down the road. Devolro's abilities to build a truck to meet individual customer needs make it a solid choice. Devolro is located in Miami, Florida, and their website is located here. Love it. Tough exterior looks, customizable interior, available supercharger for the V8. Leave it too nice to beat up, likely expensive gas mileage? Forget about it.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.